Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from DSIIDC, which is Delhi State Industrial and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, a government company. When you will go to the official website of this DSIIDC, here you can see in the career option recruitment of Assistant Executive Engineer Civil and Assistant Executive Engineer Electrical has been posted on the 24th January. When you will go here on the detail information, it will open. So let's talk about this one in the detail. So as I told you, DSIIDC, they are going to recruit for the Assistant Executive Engineer in Civil and Electrical. Okay, now the online application form will be start filling from the 29th January and the last date of filling this form will be 29th February 2024. Alright, now when we talk about here the number of vacancies and how they will recruit. So first of all, they will recruit on the basis of GATE 2021 or 2022 or 2023 scorecard, right? So here the priority will be on the GATE 21, 22, 23 scorecard, plus after that interview will be also there. No separate written test. After here we can see that in terms of the number of vacancies, Assistant Executive Engineer Civil, total number of vacancies will be 8. Pay scale will be of level 10. Assistant Executive Engineer Electrical, number of vacancies 2. Category wise number of vacancies are mentioned here. You can see, okay, the details. So when I will go to here, the next thing, the education qualification. So a candidate should have BE/BTech degree in civil or electrical engineering with minimum 50% marks, okay, with the valid GATE scorecard of 21, 22 or 23. Same for the engineering electrical also, BE/BTech in electrical with minimum 50% marks in the respective GATE scorecard also for 21, 22 or 23. Age limit will be up to 35 years maximum. Age relaxations rules are mentioned here. You can see the details. Now when we go for the last date for receipt, as I told you earlier, the last date is 29th February 2024. Before that you can fill the form. Okay, there is an application fee also. Let's see, application fee is rupees 500 for all the category of post. Okay, but if the female candidates and candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWD are exempted from paying application fee as per extent of the government rule. Okay, now as it is mentioned here, and you can pay through online transaction. Charges of the bank taxes as applicable as it is mentioned here. Mode of payment is online, is only online here. You can see online fee payment through internet banking, debit card, credit card, UPI, whatever here you can see. Okay, for more details you can just go through this website www.dsiidc.org. Selection procedure, this is an important thing. So candidate who are meeting the eligibility criteria, means they qualified GATE 21, 22 or 23 examination, okay, and registered with this post will be shortlisted for the interview on the basis of their GATE scorecard. Now after that, here you can see the weightage of the GATE scorecard will be 85% and the weightage of interview will be 15%. If any candidate has qualified more than 1 year GATE 21, 22 or 23, so she may register with his or her highest score. So suppose you appeared with the 21, 22 or 23, then you can apply with your highest score, okay, among these one. Now when we talk about here, so probation period is also there for the 2 years. Some medical standards is also there. You can see the details. Verification of documents will also required. How to apply, the complete procedure is mentioned here step by step. You can just check through here, okay, and step for applying, the each and every step is mentioned here. So more and less I think I cover all the things here. Withdraw of application, other instructions. So for more details, as I told you, you can go to the official website of DSIIDC. Thank you everyone.